Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking a look at the Apple Watch Classic Buckle. So let's get right into it. The Apple Watch Classic Buckle in saddle brown, 42 millimeter, and it does cost a pricey penny, 200 bucks. And it is expensive because it has some premium products. It's a premium product. And so let's get right into it. So I already pulled the tab, so we'll just open it up, and there's another pull tab right there, so it's really convenient. Let's pull that up, and we are greeted with Apple Watch. Put that aside, and what else we get in there? Just paperwork, nobody reads. Put that aside and take a look at the Apple Watch band itself. So this, in the front it says Apple Watch, and when you open it up it will tell you how to wear the Apple Watch Classic Buckle. It's basically, if you're used to any watch, it's the same. So, and the inside you will be greeted with this beautiful color. I have no idea it looks this good, but in the store it doesn't look that good, but in person it looks fantastic. I mean, like, just look at the color, it's just awesome. So let's just pull this tab. There's a lot of pull tabs, so let's just pull it up, and there we go. It just comes out just like that. And then the other part, right here, the packaging, I gotta say, it's really nice. I mean, Apple always do great packaging. And that's it, there's nothing else. So that's all you get for $200. You may be wondering, why is it has to be $200 for this two piece of leather? I mean, seriously, why is it has to be $200? Well, there's a lot of changes compared to the first generation of the Apple Classic Buckle. They went through bunch of changes. This is, I think, the fourth change since the Apple Classic Buckle came out. On this one, as you can see, it's a natural leather, and it's specified 42 millimeter right here. And this particular model also comes stitched. The previous version, at least the first version, just didn't comes stitched. This one comes stitched, and it also, this, they added two-way buckle, and also this is spring loaded, so you can see it's spring loaded. It's really high quality, guys. So should you spend $200 on a leather band? It's up to you, because on Amazon you can find leather band for really cheap price, probably like under $50. So it's up to you, it's your personal preference. I just got this 2 days ago, and let's try it on my Apple Watch. Aluminium. Yes, I say aluminium, I don't say aluminum. That's weird. Let's take that off. I love this really nice navy blue color. But anyways, let's put that on. This way goes click, and that way goes click, and it looks, I mean, come on. Even on the aluminum model, it looks fantastic. I will be using this band on my new Apple Watch Space Black model. Yes, I'm going to get the regular Apple Watch, not the Sport. I'll explain that when I do the unboxing of the Sport. So you basically clasp it in. It's pretty simple to put on. It won't take long. And as you can see, it looks fantastic. I mean, wow. It's just, especially to my skin tone, it looks just awesome. I love it already, so I can't wait to wear this. I'll recommend you wearing this to a party or a wedding, or any, if you're going out on a date or something, because this is obviously a leather band, and it is a premium product. You pay $200 for it. and I am pretty sure you will look fantastic on a date. So, you guys trying to impress a girl, wear this Apple Watch band. I'm just kidding, but it looks fantastic. It looks beautiful, freaking beautiful. Jony Ive, you done it this time. I'll see you guys on the next one.